So today, this EAS compilation number 1 is going to be a storm that basically formed just one county away, just like one southern county away from my county, which is Guilford County, which is the one that I'm in. And it starts progressing to go to Guilford County and then go to other counties, and then go to Raleigh, of course. Not like hit Raleigh, but the thing is, the lightning wasn't even striking the ground yet. The lightning wasn't striking the ground. It was just quietness, and then the lightning was basically just never striking Earth. It was in the clouds. So I do believe Pecos Hank Shima, or Pecos Hank, calls this intra-cloud lightning. And yeah, this is gonna be EAS compilation number 1. Hope you enjoy. I don't know what happened, but there's already issuing for a severe thunderstorm warning. Ah! Holy crap! Blacksburg!
Rockingham County, southern Caswell County.
Oh crap!
At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stoneville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. After 60 miles per hour with gusts to quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. It's like meeting a lawyer. Location 52, Louisville, Brookwood, Davis, Madison, Stoneville, on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send reports of any signs, as well as reports of any damage to enlargements. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. 4324. Report message. Also entry of the National Weather Service for East Coast agencies on X, Reedsville, Woodworth, Madison, Stoneville, and Jericho. PM for the following counties in North Carolina, as well as Rockingham. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size. National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page is on X. Repeating. North Carolina.
Wow. Holy crap. Yep, I am calling it. Rockingham County, only one county. I was about to watch my videos, but then all of a sudden my other radios just came up screaming about a severe thunderstorm warning out of nowhere. Jesus Christ.
We have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alamance County, northern Orange County, northern Guilford County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Reedsville to near Albertsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
When you're worried about what's coming up and when it's coming hard, you say it's worthwhile. That's a little bit of
Up! There it goes!
Interstate 127 and 131. Interstate 40 between mile markers 132 and 161. Between mile markers 217 and 226. Vehicles is expected for your protection. On the lowest
The National Weather Service only has considers to be the thunderstorm warning for northern Alamance County, northern Orange County, northern Guilford County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Wheatville to near Ellisboro, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, no damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, Graham, Hillsboro, Benton, McLeansville, Townsville, Brooksville, and Kitchfield.
Source radar indicated.
Interstate 25 between miles 127 and 131. Interstate 47
Mile markers 132 and 161 in between mile markers.
What was that?
For your protection, those who use the room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning at until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Guilford and Orton.
5 was located over Alton or near Trivial, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Concord, Stonewall, Battlehead, Tungsten, Mineral Reservoir.
Northern foothills of North Carolina, as well as the National Weather Service.
No response from WXL 58.
Northern Alamance County, northern Orange County, northern until 10:50. Extending from near Reed.
Up. Okay. I'm gonna try again by only using the. Okay, that doesn't work. Maybe try.
State 32 and 100.
I don't know what to do. Let's try radio check.
Thunderstorm.
Okay.
At 10:05 p.m.
Thunderstorm was located over Graham, moving southeast at 30 miles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Locations include Caswell Hill, Rockingham, Caswell,
WXL-70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain Hill, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.
Where that path kind of is as that storm moves to the southeast at 30 miles an hour. We're also getting some interesting velocity returns on the storm that is to the north of there as it kind of blows a little bit, Frank.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stanley County and central North Carolina until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
So we'll see what the National
At
Weather
10
Service
p.m.
decides.
Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Albemarle, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Blows out there.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Right now, we
Source,
are watching
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Locust, Oakboro, and Stanfield.
And again,
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
as that storm kind of rolls through
A
south
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
not
until
forgetting
11
about
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stanley, North Carolina.
We do have that one cell here as we continue to watch what is a
This is the NOAA Radio on hazards. WXL-70 broadcasting from a...
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Person County, Vance County, southwestern Warren County, central Granville County, northwestern Franklin County until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles
Or call
northeast of
1-866
Oxford to 10 miles northeast of Ridgemont, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Supercell, Sam, Lowball, Middleburg, Hindustan, Gilbert, Aspen, and South Henderson. This includes Interstate 85 between miles 194 and 221 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. 2 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, and Granville. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Mitchell, Stem, Stovall, Middleburg, Ingleside, Gilbert, Aspen, and South Henderson. This includes Interstate 85 between mile markers 1 County, northwestern Durham County, until 11 p.m. At 10:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Prospect Hill, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durham.
What was that?
Thunderstorms from mid-area, 10 miles southeast of downtown Concord, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Issued this severe
Okay.
Between mile markers 15 and 17. For your personal move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Durham, and Orange. Swepsonville, Eklund, King Creek Reservoir, and Saxon Hall.
Frequency 162.475 megahertz. A trace of precipitation today, which brings the magnitude to 0.82 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 6.16 inches.
And it ends up kind of ruling your.
Oh, what was that? Oh my god!
but you might as well.
Oh wait, never mind.
Eastern Daylight Time.
As the storm drives off to the southwest, the holds together.
Western Durham County until 11:15 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carborough or near Chapel Hill, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Hillsborough, Carborough, RDU International, Apex, Marsville, and William B. Olmsted State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 near mile marker 166. Interstate 40 between mile markers 261 and 288. Interstate 540 between mile markers 0 and 4. The Durham Freeway between mile markers 2 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Orange, and Wake.
WNC might. WNC, come on now. Come on. Come on.
Oh, okay, but I was so elated anyway. He said, but you know, you
Come
haven't
on.
won the prize partly because,
WNC.
you know, the Time Children's
Come on.
magazine.
Come on, chop chop. Chop chop.
And like lost the virginity, they were like, it's not really the one that they want to splash all over the Times. But he was like, we love the book and we want to publish it. And so, and I was so taken aback. You know, it was just, yeah, it was such a moment of just, like, yeah, just unexpected elation, I guess, at a time when there was no feelings like that around.
You know, once you get this news that you have a book deal, they want to publish your book, the publishers organize, you know, this high-stakes meeting at a swanky hotel in central London. And obviously, you know, you have to go. And you make this decision to turn your phone off. That
Yeah.
I've been so attached to for news of that. Talk me through what you were thinking.
I can remember talking to Tom about it and maybe weighing it slightly unfair and saying, like, where do you think I should go? And of course, what can he got? Just like,
You can see how the rain is coming down, kind of lit up for us with the contrast real nice there against the stadium seating. You can see how that rain is coming down at a very strong angle. And again, this is also a storm that has been producing hail. So we'll watch to see. There's nothing. I don't think it's tornadic per se. That's not really a characteristic of these storms. But this is a supercell, and it is possible. So that did certainly catch my eye there as it kind of came across the screen. But you can feel it.
Oh, whatever.
Seats inside the stadium. We certainly have a drought, but this is going to be a lot of rain coming down very quickly. You can see lit up in the background, of course, the bell tower there at UNC Chapel Hill, as this severe thunderstorm now comes across the UNC Chapel Hill campus. This storm with a history of producing at least pea-size hail, capable of producing 1-inch size hail. And so we're going to be watching this camera for anything that we can report just by observing. Lots of folks, of course, in the path of this storm, not only here at UNC Chapel Hill, but of course across the entire region right now, because from the campus and beyond, we do now have this line of severe winds that are moving through downtown Durham, down Chapel Hill, and onto Raleigh in the course of the next few minutes. And so we're really grateful to be able to bring views to you like the one we have from WeatherStat at the bottom of the screen to give us a really good idea of what's happening on the ground. I'm going to switch the radar over to the terminal. This is going to be kind of the most high resolution we can get. And I think this is a little bit of what we were seeing when cloud came across the screen. If you don't see anything too alarming in terms of rotation with that, I think that was just a scary looking cloud, or scud as we like to call them, that just happened to kind of be in the right place at the right time as that camera was positioned there to show it to us.
Oh my God, look at the hail core.
Camera from WeatherStat. This is hail falling here on campus associated with the supercell thunderstorm that we have been tracking with you on the Carolina Weather Group. The reason the image is so bright is because we have stadium lighting that is just adjacent to where this camera is located, and the hail is reflecting that light back to us in a way that the raindrops were not doing. And that is why suddenly this image is so bright and prolific for us. It is showing us that hail core that we have been tracking on radar for you, which just moments ago we got confirmed from one of you at home is capable of producing at least half-inch size hail. The radar image updating right now showing us that that hail core is just about right over campus, and radar images are typically a minute or two behind. What is not a minute or two behind is this live camera that if I didn't know any better, I would tell you it's snowing in Chapel Hill. But that is hail coming down right now at Chapel Hill, completely obscuring our view of anything that was out in the distance. We can no longer see the bell tower. Camera readjusting now. We can see the bell tower as the camera, I think, is detecting less hail, kind of re-getting its grip here. But you can still see just how much rain is coming down. That was crazy. That was absolutely crazy. Our WeatherStat network across the Carolinas and beyond has shown us some amazing things over time, but I don't know that I've seen anything quite like that. Jay, who's a frequent viewer of our show, most of those falling pellets, he says, being hail. I don't think he's ever seen anything quite like that before. That was absolutely crazy.
If you've seen any of these Iron Man helmets lately, it's because they are going viral for the new look and insane voice feature.
That right there, the supercell, is that has been producing the most, and we've been tracking this hail core for you here since the 9 o'clock hour in the Carolina Weather Group with the National Weather.